Welcome everyone. So this question was very tricky. You literally have to be a genius to solve this one. Okay? Why? Because here the first step itself is very tricky. You have x raised to 7 and everything is still equal to just 7. Okay? So in this case what you should do is you should use a hack. Now understand, here you just have what? There is no power to 7, so obviously it is just 1. Okay, so I can say therefore x, I'll keep your LHS as it is. Okay, I can write this 7 raised to 1 as nothing but what? 7 raised to 7 into 1 upon 7. Okay, now understand, a raised to m into n can also be written as what? A raised to m the whole, sorry, the whole raised to n. Okay, now why have I done that? Because see, when I do that, still my this gets cancelled and I will still get the power of 1. So there is nothing wrong in doing that. Okay, now you might be wondering, but why have I done that? Because see, there was nothing for us to work, so I tried to simplify, or I tried to expand the 1 in the form of 7. Okay, so now I'm using this logic and I'm going to write this x raised to 7 as nothing but what? 7 raised to, so this 7 into 1 upon 7. Again, I can also write this as nothing but what? Since this is a multiplication, it's commutative, right? So I can shift your n inside and put your m outside. So I'll write this as nothing but what? 1 upon 7, the whole raised to 7. Why am I doing that? You will understand quickly. Why have I shifted the 1 upon 7 inside? You know why? Because see, I want to get rid of 7 from here. When I want to do that, I will have to take the 7th root on both the sides. So this will again get multiplied by 1 upon 7. And now if you look closely, your things are getting cancelled. So I have this in the form of x raised to x, and this becomes 7 raised to 1 upon 7. The whole raised to 7 raised to 1 upon 7. Right? So now this, I can say that since the bases and indices are same on both the sides of your equal to, I can say therefore value of x is nothing but what? 7 raised to 1 upon 7, or I can also write this as nothing but what? 7th power of 7. Now for those, let's just try and understand that whether it is correct or not. Okay, so what we will do in this case is that we'll put 7th power or 7 raised to 1 upon 7 in place of x. So I will have 7 raised to 1 upon 7. Okay, now there is this x, right? So this is what? 7 raised to 1 upon 7, and then there is a raised to 7. So this gets multiplied by 7. So now if you look closely, this is getting cancelled. So now this is what? Just 7 raised to 1 upon 7, the whole raised to 7. So this is also getting cancelled. So your final RHS or final answer left is nothing but 7, and that is matching your RHS. So I can say that for this particular question, the value of x is either 7 raised to 1 upon 7 or 7th root of 7. Okay, so I hope you understood how to solve these complicated question. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.